Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today we guys will talk about the questions and their solution on the two previous topic that we have done. You can see these two previous topic from my previous videos on the same channel. So the topics that we will solve question on today are angles and their types as well as angle with parallel lines. So let's just solve questions one by one. First of all, we have to find the value of x. So you can pause this video and try solving this question and we will verify the answer once you finish. Okay, so we can solve it like this. As you can see, these are the parallel lines and these are the transversal lines. Moreover, these two lines are equal. That means it is a isosceles triangle. So if these two lines are equal, so these two angles are also equal. We have this angle 134 and this angle will be 180 minus 134. Why? Because this full angle is a straight angle, right? So the measurement of full angle is 180 degree. So we can find out this angle by taking away 134 from 180. So this angle is 180 minus 134. We can do it. This one is 180 minus 134. When you calculate it, you will get this is 46. So let me just replace this with 46. Now, as we know that this is a isosceles triangle and these two sides are equal, so these two angles are equal. So let's just consider them M. Both of them are M because they are equal. And we know that the sum of three angles in a triangle is equals to 180 degree, right? So that means 46 degree plus M is equals to 180 degree. So for that, we will do 46 degree plus M is equals to 180 degree. This will solve as 46 plus 2M is equals to 180 degree. Now we can solve it one by one by inverse operation method. We can take 46 on the right side and we're going to subtract it from 180. When you're going to subtract 46 from 180, you will get 134. So let me just directly write 134 here. Now to get the value of M, you will divide the right side with 2 or both side with 2. So to get the value of M, you will divide the both side with 2. Here we have M is equals to 134 divided by 2, which is equals to 67. That means M is equals to 67 degrees. So this is also 67 degree. 67 degrees, 67 degree, right? We can replace M with 67 degree now. Okay, now we have X. So if you just see, like this is making a Z shape like this. So these two angles are alternate interior angle and we know that alternate interior angles are equal. That means the value of X is 67, right? By what property? It's alternate interior angle. And we know they are equal, right? Okay. Now let's just move on to next question. So in this again, we have to find out the value of X. Pause the video for a minute, try to solve it, and let's solve it together after that. So when you're going to solve it, you know that these are the interior angles within a parallel line. Within a pair of parallel line, these are the interior angle. And we know that sum of the interior angle in the parallel line is equals to 180 degree, right? Their sum is equals to 180 degree. Let's take two angles, x plus 22 plus 2x minus 13. Their sum is equals to 180 degree. So we're going to add the like terms. So those who have x with them, they are like, and those who are numbers, they are like. So x plus 2x is 3x, and otherwise you can take other numbers on the right side. So when we're going to take 22 on the right side, so the sign will going to change. Positive 22 will turn to negative 22 and negative 13 will turn to positive. So on the right side, you will take away 22 first of all from 180, then you will get 158. After that, you're going to add 13 to that and you will get 171. That means 3x is equals to 171. Now you can divide both sides with 3. So when you're going to divide both sides with 3, you will get the value of x as 57. That's it. So value of x is 57. That's it. So the answer is 57. I hope you are understanding and these questions are not so hard for you. Now, this is question number 3. Let's take a minute. Try to find out the value of x and y. Okay, so let's just try to find out the value of x and y. As you can see, these are the pair of parallel lines. As we can see, this is the transversal line and these are at the same position on the transversal line. So we're gonna call them our corresponding angles. We're gonna say that x is equals to 150 degree because it is corresponding to 150 degree, right? So or also we can say that they are corresponding angles, right? Because of the property of corresponding angles, these two angles are equal. Then we will find out the value of this, as this is a linear angle. So this angle will be 180 minus 85. That is 180 minus 85 because it is a linear angle. So when you will subtract it, you will get 95. Okay. So we can see that this angle is equals to 95 degrees. Now you see this is equals to this and they are alternate interior angles. So being alternate interior angles, the values are equal. So we can say that y is equals to 95 degree. So we can say that y is equals to 95 degree. Why? Because they are alternate interior angles. Okay, now let's move on to next question. Again, we have to find out the value of x. Pause the video for a minute and think, how can we find the value of x? So let's just solve it together now. To find the value of x, as you know, like they have mentioned us all the angles those were given. So ADB is 38 degree, BEC is 41 degree and DAB is 120 degree, right? We have to calculate the value of x. And let's see, we have to calculate the value of x. So for this, we know that, let's say this is these are the parallel lines. First of all, these are the parallel lines and these are also the parallel lines. So we know that the sum of the angles between the parallel line is equals to 180 degree, right? Their sum is 180 degree. So with the help of that, we can find out this angle. So let's just try. So we know that, let's just say this name as P. First of all, let's just give it a name P. So we know that 180 minus 120 minus 38 is equals to P. This will be angle P because the sum of these angle is kind of like 180 degree. And this is given, so rest we can find out by this method. So first of all, you will take away 120 from 180. So that will give you 60. And from 60, you have to take away 38. This will give you 22. That means P is 22. Okay, or we can say that P is equals to 22. Let's just replace P with its value. So that is 22 degree. Now similarly, we'll find out this angle, and as you know that this is a straight line and this is 41. So this is a linear angle or a straight angle. So this is a straight angle. We can find out this. Let's consider this is K. So let us find out the value of K. For that, we will just take out 41 from 180 and this will be 139. Okay. Now you have a triangle DEC. Now you have a triangle DEC and you have already two angles in that, and to find out the third angle we know that sum of the three angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degree, right? So let's say that in triangle DEC, P, angle P plus angle K plus angle X is equals to 180 degree. Let's put the values and find out the value of X. Now let's just take them one by one on the right side and we can find the value of X. X is equals to 180 minus 22 minus 139. So that means X is equals to, first of all, from 180 you can take away 22, which is 158, and then take away 139 from that, which is 19. That means the value of X is 19. Okay, let's move on to next question. Again, you have to find out the value of X. So things are given to us that ABC and DEFG, they are parallel lines. They have mentioned here. Of course, we can also check with the help of arrow also that they are the parallel lines. AEH and BFH are the straight lines, and we have to find out, angle X. Pause this video for a minute, try to solve this question, and then we'll do it together. Okay, so now as you know that this is 28 degree and this is also 28 degree. Why? Because they are vertical opposite angles. Okay, so we can say that we can say that angle AED is equals to angle G, or maybe we can say that is equals to angle FEH, that is 28 degrees equals to 28 degree, because they are vertically opposite angles. Okay, so these angles are equal. Now this side and this side, they are parallel sides, so this angle is equals to this angle. We can say that this is 53 degree. Why? Because they are corresponding angles, and we know that corresponding angles are equal. Okay, this angle and this angle, they are equal because they are corresponding angles. So as this is 53 degree, this angle is 180 minus 53 because this is a straight angle. As you can see, DEC is a parallel line as they have mentioned here, so it is a straight line. So this angle plus this angle, the sum is like 180 degrees. So we can find out this angle, which is 180 minus 53. So this is 127. Now in triangle EFH, we have two angles with us and we can find out third angle. So in triangle EFH, angle E plus angle F plus angle H is equals to 180 degree. Let's put the value. So this is 28 degree, this is 127 degree, and this is X, which is equals to 180. So to find the value of X, let's just take other angles on the right side and subtract it. So X is equals to, first of all, from 180 take 127, you will get 53, and then take away 28 from that and you will get X as 25. You will get X as 25 degree. So this is the value of X. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video and tried to solve the questions with me. In case you still have any doubt or questions, you can ask me in the comment. Thank you.